Hey, welcome to Freebird. I'm Tim, and I'm here to guide you through your new FlexSeries. Whether you're just starting to shave your head or you've been at it for years with razors, this video is essential for you. We'll walk you through everything from unboxing your new shaver, understanding each component's role, how to use them effectively, to important tips and tricks that ensure you get the smooth, comfortable shave you're looking for. So stick with us to the end to master your new head shaving routine. All right, let's dive into what's in the box and get started. Here's everything you'll find inside. Starting off, we've got your warranty card and your quick guide. And then just under that, we have the main shaver and our revolutionary scalp-safe blade. Underneath, you'll find a precision trimmer, multiple interchangeable guards for different hair lengths, a nose and ear trimmer, the USB charging cord, and of course, our cleaning brush. Each of these items is designed to make your shave as smooth and as simple as possible. Our FlexSeries Pro device is something I'm really proud of. It features premium handheld ergonomics with an anti-slip rubberized grip, making it super comfortable to hold. Plus, it's fully water resistant, so you can shave wet or in the shower. The smart adaptive speed motor adjusts to your beard density for a perfect shave every time. And with our easy-to-use quick snap adapter, switching between attachments is a breeze. First up, the scalp-safe rotary blade. This is your go-to for a super close shave. Its two-part design includes a housing and replaceable foil heads that adapt to the contours of your head for maximum contact. The chamber inside collects all the trimmed hairs, which you can easily clean out after each shave. Just pull off the foil head, rinse, and replace as needed. Now the precision clipper. It comes with 3 different length guards, 3, 5, and 7 millimeter. Perfect for trimming down longer hair before using the rotary blade, or for maintaining your beard, touching up sideburns, or even some quick body grooming. It's all about precision and versatility. And don't forget about the nose and ear trimmer. Compact, easy to use, and really effective for removing unwanted hair without any pulling or discomfort. It's a small tool, but a mighty addition to your daily grooming. Next up, the USB charging cable. Simple yet crucial. This cable works with any standard 5-volt USB adapter. Just plug it into any USB port. While the adapter isn't included, you'll likely have one that'll fit perfectly at home. It's all you need to power up and get ready for a seamless shave. And don't overlook the micro cleaning brush. This small but important tool is essential for keeping your shaver clean and efficient. Just a quick brush after each shave removes any lingering hairs or debris, ensuring your FlexSeries performs at its best every time. First things first, let's get your shaver charged up and ready to go. Simply connect the USB charging cable right here. Watch the LED indicators come to life, clearly showing you the charge level. Here's what you need to know about these indicators. When you plug it in, you'll see the LEDs start to pulse sequentially from the bottom up. This means your shaver is charging. Once fully charged, all 3 LEDs will light up solidly, indicating a 100% charge. It takes just about 60 minutes to fully charge your shaver, and with that, you'll get a solid 90 minutes of shaving time. Pretty efficient, right? When the battery is low, the single bottom LED will start to pulse, meaning it's ready for a charge. Before we move on, let's talk about a really important feature, the travel lock. This is a handy safety feature to prevent the shaver from turning on unexpectedly, especially when you're traveling or just carrying it in your bag. Here's how to activate it. Simply press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. You'll see all 3 LEDs flash simultaneously, indicating the travel lock is activated. To deactivate it, when you're ready to shave, just hold the power button again for 3 seconds until the lights stop flashing and you're good to go. It's that easy and ensures that your shaver stays off until you need it. Now that we've set up your FlexSeries and you're familiar with all the components, let's dive into how you can get the best possible head shave. Transitioning to an electric shaver like FlexSeries from traditional razors might take a little adjustment, but I'm here to make it smooth for you. Your skin and hair may need some time to adjust to this new method. It's normal if your first few shaves don't turn out exactly as expected. Many users find that after a few weeks they prefer the FlexSeries over traditional razors for its convenience and comfort. If you find yourself struggling to get the results you want, don't hesitate to contact our 24/7 expert shave support team. We're always here to help you refine your routine, whether you shave wet, dry, or in the shower. Before you start shaving, it's important to prep your hair properly. If your hair is longer than about 1/8 of an inch or 3 millimeters, generally the length after a few days of growth, you'll want to trim it down with a precision clipper. This ensures that the rotary blade can do its job effectively without pulling or tugging. To get the best results from your FlexSeries, start with clean skin. Whether your skin is dry or moist, make sure it's free from dirt and oil. Applying the pre-shave oil can also enhance the shaving experience by helping the shaver glide more smoothly. And if you prefer shaving in the shower, it's perfectly fine with our IPX water-resistant shaver. Alright, let's get right into the shaving process with your FlexSeries. This is really where you'll see the magic happen. For today's demonstration, I'll be shaving dry, which is my usual preference. I shave almost daily, but I've let my hair grow out for a few days just for this video, so you can really see the effectiveness. Here we go. The first thing to remember is to use small circular motions. This technique is key because it allows the rotary blade to efficiently cut hair at various angles, ensuring that every hair, no matter the direction of its growth, is evenly trimmed. This means fewer passes, less irritation, and a smoother shave overall. Notice how I'm not just moving the shaver back and forth. That's because circular motions create a more comprehensive cutting area, catching hairs that might otherwise be missed with straight passes. And remember, don't press too hard. Let the shaver gently glide over your skin. Light to medium pressure is all you need. As I shave, if I notice any decrease in performance, maybe due to gel buildup or longer hairs getting caught, I'll show you how easy it is to handle. It's simple. Just pop off the blade foil head like this, give both parts a quick rinse underwater, and then snap it back on. And we're back in action just like that. One of the absolute best features of the FlexSeries is its convenience. It's designed for daily use, making it incredibly easy to maintain that fresh, clean look every single day. Whether you're prepping for work in the morning or freshening up for a night out, your FlexSeries has got you covered in just minutes. Now, if you're finding your shave isn't as close as you'd like right off the bat, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a few sessions to find exactly what works best for your unique skin and hair type. Many folks find that using a pre-shave oil can really enhance the shave's smoothness. You can apply it directly to your scalp before starting, or even add a few drops onto the running blade to help it glide even smoother. Some prefer to shave dry like I'm doing now, while others swear by shaving with a gel or oil for that extra layer of lubrication. And yes, you can even take this into the shower with you thanks to its water-resistant design. It's all about personal preference and experimenting a bit to see what gives you that perfect shave. So, there you have it. Shaving with the FlexSeries is not just about getting rid of the hair, it's about doing it in a way that suits your lifestyle and preferences, ensuring you look and feel great every day. And look at that. We're done in just a few minutes. Smooth and quick, right? Now, let's take care of cleaning up and preparing for the next time, ensuring your FlexSeries stays in prime condition and your skin feels great. First things first, cleaning your shaver. It's simple and quick. Just hold the shaver under running water to rinse off any remaining stubble or shaving product. Remember, your FlexSeries is IPX7 water resistant, which means it's perfectly safe to rinse under the tap. Just try not to submerge it fully for too long. Water resistance doesn't mean waterproof after all. Use the micro cleaning brush to gently scrub away any hair residues that might be clinging to the blades or in the crevices. If you ever encounter any issues with the device, remember, it comes with an excellent warranty. Our support team is always ready to help you resolve any problems swiftly. Next up, let's talk about taking care of your skin. Shaving, especially close shaving, can be tough on your skin, so it's important to soothe and protect it afterwards. I highly recommend applying our gentle post-shave lotion. It's formulated to calm irritation, prevent redness, and improve the overall health of your scalp or shaved area. Just apply a small amount to your skin like this and gently massage it in to help moisturize and soothe. Not only does this step keep your skin feeling great, but it also keeps it looking smooth and hydrated, enhancing the results of your shave. There you have it, a few simple steps to ensure both your shaver and your skin are well taken care of after each shave. This routine not only extends the life of your FlexSeries, but also ensures that every shave is as comfortable and effective as the first. Now let's talk about keeping your FlexSeries in top-notch condition. With regular maintenance and timely blade replacements, keeping your shaver sharp isn't just about a great shave. It's about maintaining the health of your skin too. Regular cleaning of your shaver is essential. After each use, rinse the blades under water and use the cleaning brush to remove any hair or buildup. This simple routine prevents buildup and ensures your shaver is always ready for the next use. But what really keeps your shave smooth and your skin happy is a sharp blade. A dull blade can pull at your hair and irritate your skin, turning what should be a comfortable routine into a chore. How often should you change your blades? Well, if you're shaving daily like I do, I recommend changing your blade every few weeks to maintain the best performance. For those who shave a few times per week, replacing your blade every 6 weeks is typically sufficient. Remember, the sharper the blade, the smoother the shave. It's not just about comfort, it's about efficiency and safety too. Many of our customers find a great value in our blade refill program. Here's why it's a game changer. First, you get discounted blades delivered to you automatically. No need to remember to reorder. We take care of it so you always have a fresh blade when you need one. But that's not all. Subscribing also upgrades your warranty from the standard 1 year to a lifetime warranty. Plus, you'll enjoy discounts on our other grooming products like pre-shave and post-shave treatments, which complement your shaving routine perfectly. And there's more. Subscribers receive priority customer support, free shipping, and early access to our newest products. We also like to surprise our subscribers with special gifts as a thank you for your loyalty. It's our way of showing how much we value being part of your grooming routine. If you haven't subscribed yet, it's incredibly easy to sign up. You can manage your subscription flexibility. Skip, cancel, or adjust your delivery times anytime. And if you have any questions or need assistance, our 24/7 support team is here to provide expert care with just a call or a click. Joining our subscription program ensures that your shaving experience is always top tier, and you're taking full advantage of everything the FlexSeries has to offer. It's not just about buying a product. It's about joining a community that cares about quality and convenience. Great! Now that you've seen the FlexSeries in action, we hope you're excited about your first shave. Many of our users report achieving that coveted baby smooth shave right from their first use. However, it's important to note that some might find the shave to feel 99.9% as smooth as traditional razors. While it might not feel exactly the same for everyone, the benefits it offers go far beyond that slight difference. If you're chasing that perfect razor smooth feel, I highly recommend trying out our pre-shave oil. It's designed to prep your skin and hair, making them softer and easier for the blades to provide a closer shave. Also, experimenting with different shaving methods, whether dry, with oil, or in the shower, can really help tailor the experience to your liking. Each method can affect the closeness and comfort of your shave, so it's worth exploring what works best for you. Remember, while the FlexSeries may feel slightly different than what you're used to with traditional razors, it comes with numerous advantages. You won't have to deal with common drawbacks like skin irritation, nicks, and cuts. Plus, no more spending what feels like hours every week on shaving. It's designed for efficiency and comfort. This means more time for you, less hassle, and a very comfortable shave. That's the beauty of the FlexSeries. It simplifies your grooming routine while delivering excellent results. So while it may not get 100% as close as the razor for some, the trade-offs are minimal compared to the convenience, safety, and skin health benefits it offers. It's not just a shaver, it's a game changer for your grooming habits. So give it a few tries. Find your best method and enjoy the numerous benefits of your new FlexSeries. We're confident that you'll love the results and truly appreciate the innovation and thought that have gone into making your shaving experience as smooth and hassle-free as possible. Thank you for choosing Freebird and the FlexSeries. We're not just excited to have you on board, we're committed to supporting your grooming journey every step of the way. Whether you're new to head shaving or you're a seasoned pro looking for a better way, the FlexSeries is designed to make your life easier, save you time, and even cut down on those shaving expenses. Here's a quick recap of what to remember to get the most out of your FlexSeries. Always trim your hair to a stubble before going to that smooth shave. It's designed for short hair maintenance, ensuring a smooth, healthy, and fresh look. Give yourself some time to adjust to the new shaving method. Just like your first time with a razor, finding your perfect shave with the FlexSeries might take a few tries. Experiment with different shaving methods, whether it's wet, dry, or even in the shower. Remember, don't fully submerge your shaver, and applying shave oil to your head or directly to your blade can make a big difference. Use gentle, small circular motions with light to medium pressure for best results. And if you find that it's 99.9% as smooth as a razor, remember that the convenience and skin health benefits make it 1,000% worth it. We're here to ensure that every shave you have with the FlexSeries is fantastic. If you have any questions or need tips on getting the best shave, our expert support team is available 24/7. Remember, Freebird is more than just a product. It's a community, and we're thrilled to have you with us. Here's to having the best possible experience with your new FlexSeries. Happy shaving, and welcome to the Freebird family.